Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's makeup tutorial is going to be the routine that I do every single morning before I head out to class. I always wake up 20 to 30 minutes before I have to head out, so this tutorial is going to show you that you don't need a lot of products and you don't need a lot of time to achieve a nice glowy, glamorous look that looks like you are very much put together, girl. Very much, I think. I would like to say so. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the bell right next to it so you guys can know whenever I upload. That would be greatly appreciated. And if you guys like how this looks, let's just keep going with the video. You guys are gonna laugh at how simple this makeup look is, so let's just do this. I don't put primer on, I don't set my face, but this is what you gotta do when you gotta go to class and you gotta get cute, you know? So after my whole skincare is done, the first thing I do is go with my Tarte Shape Tape, and I do not apply this all over my under eyes just because I have eye wrinkles and I don't want to emphasize them as they get longer here. So what I do is that I apply some right in my inner corner. Oh my god, I look crazy. Oh my. While it sits, I take my eyebrow pencil from L'Oreal and I brush through my brow hairs, and these brows are gonna be so simple. You guys are gonna laugh and be like, is this girl even good at tutorials? But I'm just showing you guys. This is literally what I do every day. Got 10 minutes to get ready? This is a tutorial for you guys, okay? So I just fill them in. This brow is a bit lower starting than the other brow. And it's just so difficult because I feel like it's lacking up here and down here. So I have to make up for it with makeup. But that's what makeup is for, to make yourself more confident. This eyebrow is not the easiest to create. I just fill it in and I go with the natural shape of my brows and extend. And then I just brush the front hairs with the pencil so that it looks like I have more hair in the front. So now that we let that sit, I'm going to use a sponge from Eco Tools, and I think I've said this a lot of times. I love this sponge, and I never tried the Beauty Blender, and I don't feel the need to because this is just so good. So even though I don't use foundation usually, I do have a few breakouts. I don't know why I decided to get a breakup here, a breakout over here, and some up here, and I feel like they're the same side. I'm just gonna pump some foundation, honestly. I need it. I think this morning I decided to put some just on the areas that had the breakouts, but I'm going to put it everywhere this time because I just need some coverage there. So this is not what I usually do. I usually don't use foundation, even if it's very light coverage. No BB creams, no nothing, just concealer. But because I have the breakouts, I had to do it today, and I'm doing it for this tutorial as well. You guys can go ahead and use any concealer that is your skin color. Unfortunately, I don't have any, but you guys can go ahead if you guys do have them. And yeah, so that's why I'm wearing it. They still kind of peek through, so for those areas, I'm just gonna add a little bit more of the foundation and kind of just like leave it there for a little bit and see what happens, you know? To set the under eyes, I use the Coty Airspun Loose Translucent Powder, and I don't bake, but I like to look like I'm baking, but just push the product into your skin, so it just gives that really natural look. My under eyes are really dry, so for people who have dry under eyes, I don't really recommend baking because it really emphasizes your, I don't know, your dry patches, your fine lines. Oh, it definitely emphasizes my fine lines, so I'm very conscious of that. So as you guys can see, you can still see through my breakout. I really don't care when I'm going out to school. As I said before, I have no one to impress, so I don't really mind it. Now I'm gonna take this e.l.f. contour palette, and we use the shade right here. It's the lightest contour shade with my Morphe M530. And I just like to add color back into my skin, add it to the perimeters of your forehead. You guys don't need to do this step. I just like to look a little bit bronzy during the winter and the summer and the spring and the fall. So you guys don't have to add this step. It's just because like I feel like I just need to do it, you know? For blush, I've been wearing this one from e.l.f. It's in this duo, and I take, of course, this one, which is a blush. I've been getting a lot of compliments by one person these past 2 days, and I really like it. It's very affordable and very nice and rosy. I like my cheeks to look like damn, that girl is blushing. Not because of you, but she's blushing, okay? I like that look. So I blush. I'm a blush person. For highlight, I'm going as affordable as can be. I am using a combination of these two shades combined. This is an e.l.f. one. A lot of people say that they don't like this one because it's very hard to get pigment. And I feel like it looks good on me. I don't have problems with it. But also, I like going for a very natural highlighted look for school, so I don't mind. As you guys can see, there's still some kind of sheen, and the combination of these two colors make it look not too dark, not too light on my skin tone. It's really perfect, I think. Ooh, that glow. And some of my nose, some of my bridge, some on the bridge. Keep it spoiled, even though I eat breakfast right after this and it goes away, but you still gotta do it. Still gotta do it to make yourself look good, you know? So I know I have not done eyes, but I'm using this Aphrodite palette. I go with just this shade right here, and the name of it is Admire. I put that all over my crease with a blending brush. So what I'm using today is the Morphe MB23. Then I go with a more flat brush like this. I'm gonna go ahead and use the color Tease right here. This is a really light champagne shade that's glittery because I love my glitters, and apply it on my lid. I would usually use some kind of liquid to spray my brush to intensify the color, but I'm lazy and I'm gonna rush during the morning, so I just do that. I take that e.l.f., the lightest color, and apply it to my inner corner. I just made this into like the no mirror challenge because I am not looking at what I'm doing, and I should. I hope it's turning out okay. I think I look cute. For mascara, I always go with the L'Oreal Voluminous Original Mascara in Black is Black. For my lips, I'm using a gloss, and it is 185 Lilac Forever from L'Oreal. It gives you a nice sheen, but it doesn't feel like you're wearing lip gloss. It's very, very thin, and it gives you a nice color. I feel like it's your lips, but better. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate that you guys did it until the end. I hope you guys liked this look. Also, my social media links will be linked down below if you guys are interested in seeing a bit more of me, things that I post, things that I'm up to, and I'm gonna go, okay? Thank you for watching. Bye. Let's try to be normal and start this again, okay? Get on right there. Let's get right on with it. What is happening? I love when I focus.